Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 1.2, question number 24. Dear students, this is lecture number 7 and HW number 6. Okay, now let us start our today's class. At first we will see the question. This is a CQ. Here in the stamp it is written that 8 groups can be arranged in 6, 7 and 8 rows but not in square form. A number question, find out factors of 8. At first we will solve a number. Find out factors of 8. Factors means the numbers by which 8 will be divisible. We can divide 8 by 1, we can divide 8 by 2. If we divide 8 by 1, 2, 4 and 8, then remainder will be 0. That means the factors of 8 will be 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8, and it will be the answer of A number question. Now we will solve B number. What is the question? B number question is, what is the least number by which the number in troops is to be multiplied so the troops can be arranged in square form? At first we have to find out the number of the soldier in the troops. It is not mentioned in the question. In the stamp it is said that 8 troops can be arranged in 6, 7 and 8 rows. That means the number of troops will be divisible by 6, 7 and 8. The number of troops will be divisible by 6, 7 and 8. If we divide the number of troops by 6, 7 and 8, then remainder will be 0. Now at first we have to find out the LCM of 6, 7 and 8. Then we will find the number of soldiers in the troops. Then the question is, what is the least number by which number in troops is to be multiplied? Then we will express the LCM as the product of prime factors of that number. Then we will see which number has no pair. Then we can say by which number is to be multiplied so that the number of troops can be arranged in square form. At first we determine the LCM of 6, 7 and 8. Now 6, 7, 8. 6 and 8 are divisible by 2, so it will be 2 3s are 6, 7 and 2 4s are 8. Now therefore LCM of 6, 7 and 8 is, it will be 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7 and multiplication 4. Now here 7 4s are 28 and 2 3s are 6. If we multiply 28 by 6, then we can get LCM. 6 8s are 48. From 48 we will write 8 carrying 4. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 equal to 12 plus 4, this is equal to 16. That means 168. 168. We can 168 is divisible by 6, also divisible by 7, and also divisible by 8. So that we can consider the number of soldiers in the troops is 168. Therefore, number of soldier in the troops equal to 168. Dear the students, here 168, it is not a perfect square, so we cannot arrange the number of soldier in the square form. Now the question is, by which number we have to multiply it so that the number of soldier can be expressed in square form. Now 168, we will express 168 as the product of its prime factors, so that 168, this number is divisible by 2. Then it will be 82. 82 is divisible by 2. It will be 41. Sorry. If we divide 168 by 2, then it will be 84. 84. Then if we divide 84 by 2, then it will be 42. Again we can divide 42 by 2, then it will be 21. Then by 3, then 7. That means we can write 168 equal to 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7. Here we can make one pair taking 2 and 2. 2 multiplication 2, and this 2 has no pair, this 3 has no pair, and this 7 also has no pair. So that for making pair of 2, for making pair of 3, and for making pair of 7, we have to multiply this number by 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7. Then the number will be a perfect square. Here 2, 3 and 7 has no pair. So 168 is not a perfect square. Therefore, if we multiply the number of soldier in troops, if we multiply the number of soldiers in troops by 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 7, or here 7 3s are 21 and 21 2s are 42 or 42, then the troops can be arranged. Then the troops can be arranged in square form. So answer will be 42. Okay, we have solved B number. Now we'll solve C number. What is the question? At least how many troops should have to join to arrange troops so that obtained in square form? At least how many troops should have to join? So at first we will write here the number of soldier in troops, C number, the number of soldier in troops is 168. We'll check is it a perfect square. We'll make pair taking 6 and 8. Now we have to take 1 ones are 1. After subtracting we will get 0, then 6 and 8 we will take. Now 2 ones are 2. If we take here 2, then it will be 22 and 22 2s are 44. If we take here 3, then 23 20 it will be 23 and 23 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6, 69, which is greater than 68. So we cannot take 3 here, we have to take here 2. Now 22 2s are 44. After subtracting we will get 4 2. Therefore 168 is not a perfect square. Now 168 is not a perfect square. Now we have to find out the perfect square next to 168, and it will be the square of 12 plus 1, that means 13 square. If we find out the square of 13, then we can get the perfect square next to 168. Then if we subtract 168 from 13 square, then you can get how many number of soldier we have to join in the troops so that the number of soldier can be expressed in a square form, can be arranged in a square form. Here the next integer of 12 is 12 plus 1 or 13. Now the square of 13, square of 13 is equal to 13 square, 13 multiplication 13. If we multiply 13 by 13, then it will be 69. 69 is a perfect square. That means if the number of soldier in the troops 169, then we can arrange the number in square form. Now for making 169 we have to add 1. That means we have number of troops should have to join will be 169 minus 168. Therefore number of soldier, therefore number of soldiers should have to join. Number of soldiers should have to join equal to 169 minus 168. This is equal to 1, and answer will be 1. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Now I am giving you today's SW. Our today's SW number 6 number SW, and topic of today's SW is exercise 1.2 question number 24. That means our today's CW is your HW also. So do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.